Welcome to the cooler board. I'm glad to introduce our newest products on my right hand. For this countertop heated displays, let me give you the measurements first. The unit's overall length is about 13 inches wide, and the depth of the unit is about 19 inches, and the overall height of the unit is about 26.5 inches tall. So as we can see the front, they have a swing doors you can open to access the food here, and also have a LED lights on top of the units. They also having the temperature display at the bottoms to show the information right here. And when you're looking the inside, this place can for you to put some water to keep food not that too dry. And let's turn around to see the other side of the units. For this side of the units, we can see they have temperature controllers. You can adjust it. And also we're having switches and indicators. And also have an EPL sanitation stickers right here. They come with the cut sheet information and the detailed information on the other side. So we also can see they're using the 110 plugs for standard 110 usage. When you turn around back of the side, we can see on top they have a space for you to put some food. And also have a swing doors right here. You can open it. Now let me give the measurements for each of the layers. The top layer is about 11 inches deep. And the second layers about 12 inches deep. And the third layers about 13 inches deep. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.